has two arms. How many eyes does a robot have? Two eyes. Does it have an antenna?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. How many wheels does it have? Three wheels. Good job, bud. I'm gonna get you a little video. Look at that. There's gonna be a lot of different animals over there. Tell me which one's your favorite at the end, alright? You know which one was my favorite of all the animals? The koala. Did you see the koala at the end? Yeah, that one was my favorite. Which one was your favorite? Yeah, I think there was a monkey on there. There might have been. You like monkeys? I know what I do. Okay, so as far as I can see, everything is healthy. So we're just gonna check on the last two things and then we'll be all set, okay?
What is it, colorblind?
Yeah, because the color blindness is the number check, so.
Oh, okay.
So this actually just checks to see if you can identify the numbers off of the colors. So that just helps us to see.
Gotcha.
But this is the one where we're gonna check his depth. All right, so put these on. Have you ever been to a 3D movie before?
No.
Oh, well, this is gonna be your first time. You know what that is? No? That's called a fly. Can you pinch its wings? Yeah, pinch it for me. Pinch its wings. Yeah, you gotta pinch. There you go. Very good. So over here, do you see how one of those circles kind of pops out? Yeah, can you point to which one's popping out in number 1? Yeah, very good. What about on number 2? Number 3? Number 4?
6, 42.
Good job. You got them all correct. So, no problems with color blindness that I can see. He's doing well.
Good, okay.
Alright. And with that,
Hey, RJ, finished check-up. First time check-up.
You see me.
Okay, we here in Windies.
You want a grilled chicken wrap? Small.
Okay. RJ, first time check-up. How's the check-up, RJ? It's good?
Yeah, good.
You like it, the doctor?
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Yes,
I'm
RJ.
so fast. First, you watch me outside.
No, so cold
No, I want you
outside.
to watch me.
Yes, we're here now in gasoline stations.
Atomates.
Yeah. There's RJ. Here he is. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Here's Daddy. Here he is. And there he is. We're here in Smith's. Look at this here. Have so many cars because Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Is there 1,000 cars here?
The new, what's this?
Costa Vita.
Costa Vita here. Brand new. Costa Vita.
Mexican food. The new subdivision. That mommy like?
Here, Mom.
Okay.
Here.
Do you want this? RJ, what you eating?
Tootsie.
Tootsie Roll?
Tootsie. No, Tootsie.
Tootsie? For short, Tootsie. Tootsie for short, but Tootsie Roll.
Mama, eat this as well. What's
Okay.
it saying?
Oh no, don't eat me. Oh no.
What's he saying?
Okay.
What they saying, Mama?
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
catch that on camera? At the sign right there.
Yeah. Nice subdivision. At this. So big house.
All new roofs in here too.
Yep.
From the hailstorm we had.
Yeah. It's cloudy today. Look at that. What time now? 4:57. It's so dark now. So cloudy. Wow, many people go home because it's Thanksgiving. Look at that. Have a Christmas light now. See? Christmas light.
We'll change that next year. Yeah. Green.
Wow, see this house so big.
Wooden garbage up. Okay, this is Mommy's new subdivision that she like. You like?
This is I like. Dream house. Dream house.
You like OJ?
See, there is.
See?
There is. Empty lot here.
This is the one right here. Mommy like.
Yeah, but it's so expensive. Cannot
Right
afford
behind
it.
the Rambler.
Yep. It's Rambler there. Can see
Friday
the
we
can see the mountain there. See,
all the pipes are in.
so
It's ready.
dark. Wow, so nice there.
I like this one. I said
You like this one?
this one.
I like that they have privacy already.
No,
Honey.
I have no privacy.
Those have 3 there. See,
Yeah, I didn't like that.
not like that.
Don't like it.
And bigger lot to, honey. There.
It's more than mobile.
What you talking about? RJ, what you talking about? Huh?
See? See the radar dish?
Yep.
Right there. That's the one.
That's so good.
There's the water right there.
So dry here.
Walking trail.
Here it is. Nice here, quiet. Not noisy. A swimming pool.
We'll have to get a map.
Maybe have no swimming pool here. Wow, all green. No, not
I like that.
nice if have color.
Red. Some color. Not enough. Add
enough.
blue and green next year.
This house so expensive. This house here.
Yeah. A lot of them
Big.
are 5,000 square foot with the basement finished.
Yeah, it's big. It's for today. See you next time. Bye bye. Lights.
They don't like little kids running in the front yard.
Yes.
And they're still there, selling. Right
Yes, the model.
now. 5 o'clock. You can buy one right now.